Hi guys, welcome to Algebra's Greek number 2. I've simplified grade 6 and 7 algebra into 10 videos, which has helped many children just like you. Okay, it's advisable to watch all these videos because they have handy hints on them. Okay, we're going to have a look at addition. Apples plus apples. It has to be the same thing in order for you to be able to plus. Okay, here the note I made is there are 3 methods we're going to have a look at, and you start on the right hand of your number. Okay, there we go. This is the method that you used at school. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. Take 1 over. 2 plus 8 is 10. 0 there. 1 over. 3 plus 4 is 7. If you get confused or your lining is going all wrong because you're not writing neatly under each other, or you just don't keep track of what you're doing, use a color system. Here's the same sum. What I mean with a color system is you draw a line through those so you know you've used the first numbers. Okay, 5 and 2 would give you 7. You swap a color. The next two numbers would be 7 and 3, which gives you 10. 0 under, 1 over. Okay, then you use another color which gives you 1, 2, plus 8 is 10, 0 here, 1 over. And then you swap colors again, and you have 3 plus 4 gives you 7. Okay, that is a color system. Next method we're going to have a look at is breaking up the number. Okay, now you've done this at school. 2,175. 2,175. We've broken them up into thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. Same with 4,832. Okay. Then we plus, right-hand side first. 5 plus 2 is 7. 70 plus 30 is 100. 100 plus 800 is 900. 2,000 plus 4,000 equals 6,000. Okay. When you look at your answers, you'll see that these are hundreds and those are hundreds. So they need to be added together, which gives you another 1,000, which means it needs to go with the thousands. And that would give you the 7,000. Those two would be zeros, and that would be 7. If this makes more sense to you, then this is the method that you use. The last method I want to show you here is where you have it in a line. Okay, this is the shortest method, where you can use a color system again, where you have the first numbers 2 and 5 gives you 7. Next color 3 plus 7 gives you 10, 0, and 1 taken over. Next color would be 8, it's 9, 10, 0 here, 1 over, and then the last one would be 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 4 is 7, and that gives you exactly the same answer. Different methods, same answer. You'd use the one that you feel comfortable with. Okay, handy hint, apples plus apples. What it means is, if you have a sum in centimeters, it needs to be, all of them needs to be in centimeters before you can do the calculation. Kiloliters, meters, square meters, apples plus apples, they need to be the same. How can we calculate thousands, hundreds, and tens together? Because they're not the same. They are all whole numbers. That's why we're calculating them together. Okay, that's why apples plus apples. They are whole numbers. That's why you can do the calculations. Okay. Now, there's another thing I wanted to show you. If you struggle with smaller numbers, use a ruler method. What do I mean with that? Okay, now here's my ruler. If you have numbers under 30 that you struggle to be accurate with, use your ruler. You don't have that many fingers. So, if you have 10 plus 5, there's 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will give you 15. If you have 16 plus 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it is 24. Okay, very accurate way of helping you to get to the correct answer. So, smaller numbers, ruler method. Okay, there's your handy hint. And let's have a look at some examples. Okay, here you have 4 kilometers plus 3 kilometers. Kilometers and kilometers. So they are apples and apples. So you can just calculate it into 7 kilometers. Okay, don't throw anything away. Kilometers, kilometers. That's why rule 1, sweeties. Remember, we hoard them. Okay, and rule number 2, plus apples. Okay, there we go. There we have another example, 63 meters plus 1 kilometer. Ooh, they are not apples and apples, one apple and one pear, because they're not the same. But kilo indicates 1,000, meaning you need to multiply with 1,000. 1 times 1,000 is 1,000. So you have 63 meters plus 1,000 meters, which gives you 1,063 meters. Guys, do not throw anything away. Video 1, sweeties, plus apples, video 2. Okay, and that is what I basically wanted to cover with addition. Also check out Algebra Greek number 3, which will cover subtraction. If there's anything that you don't understand or anything you've heard that you didn't hear before, go back to Algebra Greek number 1, where we look at don't throw anything away. Okay, if this video helped you, click like. If there's anything else you would like me to explain, write in the comments. And if you want to see this video in Afrikaans, write to me in the comments as well. And always remember, you can do this.